Ivoan. Vanakkam. Welcome you all to the YouTube channel Nawadilhan Lakriya. I'm going to discuss you about the Pythagorean relation. Pythagoras ප්‍රමේය පිළිබඳ සාකච්ඡා කිරීමට සූදානම් වන්නේ. When you consider about this Pythagorean relationship, it was invented by the Greek mathematician called Pythagoras. So, it is very much important to learn when you are studying mathematics this Pythagorean relation. Then when you consider about this Pythagorean relation, mainly it is focused onto the right angle triangle. Tell me students, what is a right angle triangle? Yes, a triangle consists of a right angle. You can watch the angle lesson video and get a clear understanding about more on angles. Here we are discussing about the right angle. Then when we consider about the right angle, magnitude is 90 degrees. Yes, in here we want to learn about the right angle. Then after that we want to know what are the example where we can use the right angle. Then when you consider about a ruler, the corner of the ruler is 90 degrees or else right angle. Then a door, yes, corner of a table, there we can find 90 degrees right angle. Then when you consider about a book, corner of the book is 90 degrees. Here, four corners are 90 degrees in magnitude. Then when we consider about the center square, there also we can find a 90 degrees angle. See here. Yes, when you consider about a triangle, there are four sides. It is a closed plane figure. Then there are three angles. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees or else a right angle. Then here this Greek mathematician called Pythagoras was discussing about a right angle triangle and the sides and the angle. Then mainly when we focus on the right angle, there is the 90 degrees angle. If we say PQR triangle, the side opposite to the 90 degrees angle we call hypotenuse. Yes, when we consider about this hypotenuse, it is PR, කර්ණය. මේ Pythagoras ප්‍රමේය ගැන ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට ඍජුකෝණී ත්‍රිකෝණයක් පිළිබඳව තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්නේ. ඍජුකෝණී ත්‍රිකෝණේ ඍජු කෝණයට ඉදිරිපසින් නැති පාදයට කියනවා කර්ණය කියලා. Or else it is hypotenuse. Then the two sides, there are two another sides. Sides which include the right angle, PQ and QR. When we consider about this Pythagorean relation, we want to consider the 90 degrees triangle or else right angle triangle. Then when we consider about this right angle triangle, then here you can see a right angle triangle. Oh, it's somewhat complex figure, but it is easy. Then when we consider about each and every side, right? Here 3 centimeter side you can find. Here 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Then tell me students, what is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle? Yes, the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse of this triangle. Then here, when we consider about this square, right? This side is equal to this side equal to this side. All the sides are equal, then it is a square. Or the magnitude of a side is 3 centimeters, right? Here also I have drawn a square. Then all the sides are 5 centimeters in magnitude. Then here also I have drawn a square. Then the magnitude is 4 centimeters and all the sides are equal. But when we consider about overall 3 squares, the sides are different. Then when we consider about this square, right? We can get the area 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter square. Can you remember the lesson area? Yes, there is a video on my channel. You can watch it and get a clear understanding about the lesson area. Then here we are considering the area of this square, and here this square area also we are considering. Then there are 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter square. Then here area is 4 into 4, 16 centimeter square. The unit of the area is centimeter square, or else if it is measuring in meters, meter square. Then when we consider about this area, right, the area of this square plus the area of this square, right, the side consisting BC square and the side consisting AB square. If we add these two areas together, we can find the area of this big square, or else this area is equal to the sum of these two areas. Then we can derive that area of the square on AC, it is equal to the area of the square on AB plus area of the square on BC. Yes, I think you got a clear understanding about Pythagorean relationship. The ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras was considering about this relationship, and he derived many questions out of that. Then when we consider about this Pythagoras relation, Pythagorean relation, Pythagoras relationship, like that way, when we consider about this triangle, right, the side of hypotenuse is A, the size magnitude of the other sides are B and C. Then A squared equal B squared plus C squared. That is the Pythagoras relationship when we apply to this triangle. Then here PQR triangle you can find. Then PR squared, hypotenuse squared, equal PQ squared plus QR squared. Likewise, we can calculate the lengths by using Pythagoras relationship. The real-time example for Pythagoras relationship is the foundation, right? When you are constructing a building, first of all you want to put the foundation, right? Then the house builders use this Pythagoras relationship when building the houses. Then they are taking 4 meters and they are keeping, and they are checking if this is 3 meters. After that, they say that if it is 4 centimeters here, if this is 3 centimeters, if this length is 5 centimeters, then they derive that, they get a conclusion that this is a right angle there. And there that is. When you get some examples in Pythagoras relation, you can give the answers for these questions. First question is fill in the blanks, right? You have a rhombus, right? This is normally a rhombus, right? That means all sides are equal, and there are 90 degrees angles in the transverses. Then when we consider about this each and every triangle, you can derive the Pythagoras relation. Then here you can fill in the blanks. AD squared, AD. Yes, they have given this triangle and the hypotenuse is that one. First step is finding the hypotenuse. කාරණය මොකක්ද කියලා හොයාගන්න එක තමයි පළවෙනි පියවර. Then here this side is squared equal to the sum of the other two side squares. Then AD squared equal squared plus OD squared. Then here BO squared only they have given. BO squared plus OA squared equal to this hypotenuse AB squared. Then DC squared, GC squared, that means, yes, OC squared plus OD squared. Then when we move to the next part of this question, you have given a rectangle and inside there are triangles. Write the Pythagoras relation. Yes, you can derive the Pythagoras relation for many triangles, right? I am writing two relations. At home you want to write the other all relations. Then if it is a rectangle, you already know all angles are 90 degrees in magnitude and opposite sides are equal in length, right? Then if we get the triangle ADC, yes, ADC triangle, then how can we derive? The hypotenuse is AC squared. Why we are putting a bracket and putting a square? Yes, because this total length is squared. If it is 5 centimeter, 5 squared, like that way we want to get. Then what are the other two sides? AD squared plus GC squared. Likewise, we can write. Then shall we get another triangle? AQP. Triangle AQP. Yes. Then what is the hypotenuse? AP squared equal AQ squared plus QP squared. Likewise, we can derive the Pythagoras relation. You have to write the other relations on your writing book. When we move on to the third question, here there are three parts. Find the perimeter. What is perimeter, dear students? Perimeter is total length around a plane figure, right? Or the boundary of a plane figure. පරිමිතිය හොයන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ මේ ප්‍රශ්නවල ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්. පරිමිතිය කියන්නේ මේ සම්පූර්ණ වටේ දිග. වටේ දිග හොයාගත්තොත් පුළුවන් පරිමිතිය හොයන්න. මෙතන දීලා තියෙනවා මේ BC 8යි AB 6 සෙන්ටිමීටර්. මේ දිග අපිට දීලා නැහැ. අපිට ඒක අවශ්‍යත් නැහැ. නමුත් මේ දිගවල් තුන සමානයි කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. ABC D. Yes. Then here first you want to find this length. After that those two lengths are equal to the other two sides. Then when we consider about this length, here 90 degrees angle they have given. Then the method we are using is Pythagoras theorem. Then we want to find the hypotenuse and AC squared equal what? AB squared plus BC squared, right? AC squared we want to find. Shall we get it as x? X squared equal AB 6 squared plus 8 squared. That means 36 plus 64, 100. X equals square root of 100, 10 centimeters. Then this length is 10 centimeters. We can calculate the perimeter. Perimeter P equal. Shall we start from here and go into the other side? 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Here we found 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 34 centimeters. Then here 4, 3, this length you don't know. Then here also 90 degrees. You can find a right angle. Here also right angle. Then first we move on to the PQR triangle. There, this length we'll get it as y. Y squared equal 4 squared plus 3 squared. 16, 9, y squared. That means square root of 25, 5, centimeters. This length is 5 centimeters. Then there are two lengths are having, you can find, we'll get it as x, right? Yes, we can find x. How can we find? Yes, this is the hypotenuse. PRS triangle. 13 squared equal 5 squared plus x squared. Then x squared equal 13 squared minus 5 squared. X equal square root of 144. That means 12 centimeters. This length is 12 centimeters. Then the perimeter P equal, we are starting from one side. එක පැත්තකින් නම් පටන් ගමු. පරිමිතිය ගණන් කරන්න. 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 32 centimeters. In this question they have given 13, 5. You don't know this value. If we get AB, you don't know AB, and you don't know this value also. Yes, you don't know this value also. We will calculate perimeter now. Then shall we put A B C triangle, right? Hypotenuse is this one, 13 squared plus equal 5 squared plus AB squared. Then AB squared is, you can find AB equal 12 centimeters. GEB triangle. We can put the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse 5 squared equal 4 squared plus EB squared. Then EB squared equal 25 minus 16, that means 9. EB equals square root of 9, 3 centimeters. Then AB equal 12 centimeters. AE equal 12 minus 3, 9 centimeters. All the lengths are okay. Then we can calculate the perimeter P. You know, when we are calculating the perimeter, we want to start from one place, right? Or else one vertex. Shall we start from here and go to the other side and come to the, otherwise the answer will be wrong. 36 centimeters. When we move on to the fourth question, you know that by using this Pythagoras relationship, you must have the ability of making the word problems, right? Not only the normal questions, you must have the ability of understanding a word problem and give the answers. Here you have given in the circle with center O. You have given a circle and center is O, shown in the figure. The midpoint of the chord PQ is, chord PQ is R. Yes, the midpoint is R, then PR equal RQ, right? Moreover, OR produce meets the circle at S. මේ OR පාදය S වෙනකන් දික් කරලා තියෙනවා. එතකොට OS කියන්නේ සරල රේඛාවක්. මේක කියලා තියෙනවා ORP සමානයි ORQ සමානයි අංශක 90යි. ORP ORQ දෙකම සමානයි, ඒක අංශක 90යි. Then here the length of PQ. Yes, here Q is 12 centimeters, right? This total length is here to here is 12 centimeters. Then you can get to a conclusion that these two are equal 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, right? The length of RQ. RQ. Yes, you can find the length of RQ is what? 6 centimeters because the this midpoint of PQ is R. Yes. Then PQ equal PR plus R cube. Then we already know PR equal R cube, that is equal to 6 centimeters. Then they are asking the value of radius, right? You know what is mean by radius of a circle? Yes, the length from center to the part of a circle we can form radius, right? When we consider about this radius, right, here to here a radius R, yes, then we can draw here to here also a radius by using the Pythagoras theorem. This is a 90 degrees triangle, right angle triangle, then triangle POR, right? R squared equal 6 squared plus 8 squared, 36 plus 64, 100. R squared, R equal square root of 100, that means 10 centimeters. The value of the radius is 10 centimeters. Length of RS, yes, here to here length they are asking, right? I told you that we can draw radius any place from center to the part of a circle. Then here you can see directly here to here also a radius. Yes, then total length of the radius is 10 centimeters we found. Therefore 2 centimeters you can get directly. Yes, like that way you must have the ability of solving the word problems. Then the fifth question, that means the last question from this section, I am discussing at home you want to do with yourself. Here, if the length of the diagonal AC of the square ABCD is 10 centimeters, yes, you have given a square, that means all sides are equal. Find the area of the square. Yes. How can we find the area of a square? Length multiplied by breadth. Yes, you can find by using the Pythagoras theorem. If this length is x, this length also x, then like that way you can put hypotenuse is this one, AC squared equal AB squared plus BC squared. Like that way you can find the value of x, and x into x you can find the area, x squared you can find the area. I think you got a clear understanding about the Pythagoras theorem. Then if you like our videos, you can subscribe and click the bell button and get the updated notifications. After that you can share with your friends and comment below, and if you have any question further you can contact me by giving a text. Thank you very much.